It's called Post a Time You Were a Worm Instagram Change Story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here on Instagram, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page, you have to go to 2022 sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to 2022 sticker at highlights, and here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. Just like this. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial or video tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me finish the story for our post. So now you can go to your upload and choose a photo. I will go with this photo right here. You can place your sticker where you want and make it bigger or smaller. And once you are happy, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, on my Instagram account, on Ali and John YTT, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on the add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to a YouTube video which has only 2 or 3 minutes, I think, and it's super easy to follow, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.